Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today is beautiful and the sun is shining. I just thought I got the extra battery and the charging hub from DJI, and I also got the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The reason why I'm doing this video is when I bought the Mini 4, I bought only the basic without extra battery. Now I struggle a lot because when I do go out and shoot, I end up have to return the drone home because the battery is low. Then I end up losing like amazing shots. So I did invest in and bought the extra two batteries and the charging hub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test some footage today because the weather is beautiful today, and I'm going to shoot in 4K 60 frames per second, just a normal shooting, because which will allow me to be out a little bit longer. So yeah, so guys, and yeah, if you do have the basic and you're struggling, with the battery, guys, invest and get the extra batteries and the charging hub. It's really good. I did charge and it took about 1 hour 45 minutes to charge. So one thing I noticed is if the two batteries are low, it charges the first one first before it charges the second one. But I will suggest you do, as soon as you get it, put it on charger to make sure they fully charge before you head out, because three batteries you could be out for longer, and as soon as the other one is low, if you have a power bank, keep charging it so that by the time the others run out, you have enough battery to use. So guys, I hope you enjoy this amazing video. It's just going to be droning around just to see how gorgeous the area I am today, and I'll also be testing the accuracy of this beautiful DJI Mini 4. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to return to home and then let the drone land, using the landing pad. So guys, I hope you enjoy this amazing. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video and also sharing this video. Thank you very much. Let's enjoy this amazing video. Eh?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never
So guys, I want to test the accuracy of return to home. You can see it's so accurate. I'm going to stand here so that you can actually see how accurate this drone is. It's actually going to land exactly on the landing pad. That's how unique the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the return to home, is accurate. It's one of the best drone, like one of the most, affordable travel drone ever. See, it landed on the landing pad without any issue. Even though there's a stone there, it managed to land above it. How amazing is that? Well guys, what do you think of this amazing drone? You can click on my showcase and purchase the landing pad, and also you can purchase the DJI products as well. Mini 4 is one of the best travel drone out there. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video.